Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Roblox error code 273. So this is basically a network issue. You can check if your network is stable, but if everything is good, just go into your search bar and type in CMD. Command prompt should come up. Tap on Run as Administrator and then press Yes. From there you have to type in a few commands. The first one is ipconfig space/flush DNS. So just press this one and then hit enter. And then the next one is this one, nets winsock reset. Just type in this one and then hit enter. After that, this is the last one, nets int IP reset. Just put this and there you go. It will be automatically done. All you have to do is restart your computer and then this will be automatically fixed. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.